Number 7 says Justin paid $700 to get his car repaired. The total cost of the repairs was the sum of the amount paid for parts and the amount paid for labor. Justin was charged $140 for parts and then $70 per hour for labor. How long did it take for him to get his car repaired? Then it says, do be sure to write an equation that models the problem. So what does that equation that models the problem mean? Well, that's telling us make sure you recognize that this has some kind of amount that we start with, and then it increases over so much time. So it has a y-intercept, and it has a slope that we're changing by. We have some kind of rate of change over time. So that tells us we need to write something in y equals mx plus b form. So I need to find out what is that amount we're changing by, and how much am I paying up front. And so then that gives us our total amount by adding those together, as long as we know what the x is. So let's find these numbers. Is there anything I'm paying just once? And yes, there is. If I look at the problem, we can tell that we're just paying for parts, $140, only once. On the other hand, the amount we're paying for labor is $70 per hour. And so that tells us that's changing over time. That's a rate of change, right? So that means we can plug those numbers in. So our slope is the $70 per hour times however many hours we work. Plus we also paid $140, just one lump fee. One lump sum fee. So then what we want to do here is figure out how long did it take, so what is our x, given we know that the total is 700. So now we can just plug that in. 700 is equal to 70x plus 140, and we can solve for x, which is the amount of time. Moving the 140, I get let's see, negative 140 plus 700, which if I subtract 100, that's 600 minus 40, that's 560. And then if we divide by 70, so then 56 divided by 7 is 8. And so we see it takes 8 hours to be able to repair the car and spend $700.